Hello and welcome to BizWatch News in 5 minutes, where we bring you Nigeria's latest business and economic news stories. My name is Kanye Victor, and there are the top stories as the week winds down. The headlines. Naira touches 1,392 Naira per US dollar at CBN window. Nigeria's foreign reserve climbs and reaches highest in 8 years. Dangote refinery increases gantry petrol price to 799 naira. Nigeria UAE sign landmark trade deal to eliminate tariffs on 7,000 products. Trump weighs a major new strike on Iran after nuclear discussions. And now, the news in detail. The Naira briefly touched 1,392 Naira per dollar at the Central Bank of Nigeria foreign exchange window, reflecting the absence of liquidity pressure in the currency market. The Naira closed the session on a strong note, extending the previous day's appreciation with a gain of 5 BPS against the US dollar at the Nigerian foreign exchange market to settle at 1,400 per dollar. The currency rally was driven by sustained inflows from foreign portfolio investors and local market participants, with the Naira trading within an intraday range of 1,392 Naira to 1,415 Naira per dollar during the session. Up by about $510 million in 2026, Nigeria's foreign reserve hit its highest in the last 8 years, driven by an increase in crude oil production and relative commodity price stability. Data from the central bank showed that gross external reserves stood at $46.12 billion as of January 22, 2026, with 1.18% in blocked funds. The currency balance was last seen in August 2018 according to CBN data. Nigeria's external reserves balance settled at $45.5 billion on December 31 amidst reforms and oil production surge following the implementation of the Petroleum Industry Act. Management of the Dangote Petroleum Refinery has announced the new gantry premium motor spirit price of 799 naira and the pump price of 839 naira per litre at MRL stations nationwide. The adjustment in prices was revealed in a statement by the refinery on Monday. The development follows the previous gantry price of 699 naira per litre and the 739 pump price announced ahead of the last Yuletide celebration. In the statement signed by the refinery management to journalists on Monday, Dangote noted that with the festive period concluded, PMS prices have been modestly realigned to sustainable levels to support long-term market stability and affordability. Nigeria and the United Arab Emirates have signed a landmark comprehensive economic partnership agreement that will eliminate tariffs on thousands of products traded between both countries, a move expected to significantly boost bilateral trade and investment. A member of the governing board of the Northeast Development Commission, Rep. Sam Onuigbo, disclosed this on Tuesday in Abuja. According to Onuigbo, the CEPA, signed during the Abu Dhabi Sustainability Week, held from January 11 to 15, 2026, marks a major milestone in Nigeria's trade and economic diplomacy efforts. And on the global scene, President Donald Trump is weighing a major strike on Iran after preliminary discussions between Washington and Tehran over limiting the country's nuclear program and ballistic missile production failed to make progress, according to people familiar with the matter. Trump's latest threats were met with indignation by Tehran, which vowed an immediate response to any U.S. military action, with one top advisor to Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei threatening to target Israel if any attack goes ahead. And that's all we have this week on BizWatch News in 5 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with Nigeria's latest business and economic news stories. My name is Kanye Victor, and I'll see you next week.